OpenCV image processing, C++ versus C versus Python. I was thinking of trying OpenCV for a project and noticed that it had C, C++, and Python. I am trying to figure out whether I should use C++, C or Python, and would like to use whatever has the best OpenCV support. Just from looking at the index page for the various documentation, it looks like the C++ bindings might have more features than the others. Is this true? If C++ has more bindings, it seems that would be a more obvious choice for me, but I was just curious if it really has more features, etc. than the others. Thanks.
The Python interface is still being developed, whereas the C++ interface, especially with the new Mat class, is quite mature. If you're comfortable in C++, I would highly recommend using it. Else, you can start using Python and contribute back any features you think OpenCV needs. Smile.
Actually, Python binding was finished starting with release 2.2. So I would go with Python if I were you, because the performance will be almost the same anyway, as you are using C libraries in both cases. However, Python will get you there faster, safely, and you will spend more time on your algorithm rather than getting things to build and run, not mentioning memory management hassles.
I think it depends how proficient you are in C++. The Mat interface does appear more modern than the old Implimage C interface. The problem I'm having is that most of the examples you'll find on the web, or even here on Stack Overflow, are for the C interface, for example CVCVT color, not for the C++ interface. So I'm really struggling to port the C examples to C++.
Even if you're very proficient in C or C++, you should use Python to speed up your development. I should guess a 4x factor. Performance are really quite the same.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.